Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy cream in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for the food icon, which is the spoon and fork icon right here. Go near it, and then talk to the NPC by pressing F. And then press can I get food to go, which will bring up the menu. So in the menu, search for cream, which is right over here. Click on it. And if you have enough Mora right now, click on this purchase button right here. As you can see, it's going to cost me 135 Mora to buy this item. So if you want to go through with the purchase, click on this purchase button again, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!